Hello everybody and welcome to ICT Year 3. This is your teacher Mr. Ali. Today we're going to continue learning some new things about Scratch, and this how to draw lines with a pen and how to make a sprite make shapes with a pen. Okay, the first thing is, as you can see here in the blocks area, there is no pen. So we have to go here in the bottom left corner and add extension. Okay, the list of extensions will open. We will choose pen. Okay, this one. If you can see, now we have a new block area called pen that has many blocks. Okay, first thing, as we have in every program, it starts with an event. We make our event right here. Okay, and we go to pen area. Okay, we choose pen down. That's if you want to make the sprite, put the pen down and draw something. Okay, now if you can choose like forever loop right here and go to motions. Yeah, we will choose maybe turn 15 degrees and move 10 steps. Okay, let's see what the sprite will make. Let's start the program. Go. Alright, it's drawing a circle. If we stop it like this and we make it go like this, it's drawing a circle. Okay, a very exciting new thing. We can even change the values and make the circle go bigger. Like if you can change the value here, you press on the number right here. Maybe we make it 40. Okay, and we let the steps like it is. Okay, so we press on go. Okay, it moves faster. Okay, now the new thing we're going to learn is how to make a star. Okay, the first thing is the event. We put the event right here and we go to pen. Okay, maybe move the sprite a little bit like right here, and we press on pen down. We put it right here, and then we go to control to have our loop. We make it repeat maybe 10 times. Then go to motion. Okay, choose turn 15 degrees and move 10 steps. Alright, we can even add change the values. Let's make it 150 and 100 steps. Move. Alright, let's see what it will do. Now we go. As you can see, a circle or a star is drawn right here. Alright, that's very nice. And you can even change the color of the pen and go to pen, set color to 0, set pen color to 0. You can make it set to 0. Okay, and then we can change it like this. Okay, change it by 10. Let's see what it will do. Okay, go. So as you can see, it makes a star with a rainbow, too many colors. Okay, so we're gonna do what we are doing again. First thing is we have our event. Alright, when the event is clicked, then we add the pen here from the extension. We chose pen already. Alright, and we have it right here. We press on pen down so it can write something, and we go to control to choose our loop. Let's say repeat 10 times. Alright, then go to the motion area, move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, yeah, maybe, Let's change it, make it 100, and here 150. You can even change the values as we said. Then to pen again. Okay. We set pen color to 0. Right here. Let's set it to 0. And then change it by 10. Alright? Let's see what it will do again. Go. As you can see, this is a new star, a rainbow star. Alright? Thank you, and I hope you have fun and learn a lot.